so sweet of you. I am slightly orthodox, old school thought. So I prefer using the paper. I would also prefer you all using the books. Just the reason being, when I was a student, I always found that whenever I go back to revise, if I use the book as the reference, it makes my task easier. So rather than talking abrupt, I will go by as what is in your book, so that when you go home and you try to reflect back, you will catch up things faster. You are a PDR?
Yes.
I have a strong message for you.
Okay.
Do you know now Rotractors are kind of Rotary members
Yes.
as per the new rule? But I have observed all of them still feel they are the kids. RLI program is meant for them. So you take the onus of holding maximum RLIs for Rotractors so that they start understanding what Rotary is all about. Because now they are paying members, they are a type of membership. Coming back to, I would like somebody to read the name of this topic today. My session, what is the name of it?
The Rotary Foundation International Service.
So we have heard about Rotary Foundation, DRF. We are in part 3. Do you recall what have you gone through in part 1 and 2? Okay. In part 1 and 2, what all have we covered? I will quickly take some key points. You will recall everything in your memory. Part 1 was Foundation 1, our foundation. And why we call it our foundation, any idea? Why do we call it our foundation? Individual contributions on behalf of club, on behalf of members. See, basically, we are the funding sources, and more importantly, we are the spending people. Foundation money is spent only by us. So it is our foundation. That was done in part 1, along with the motto of Rotary Foundation. What is the motto of Rotary Foundation? Motto of Rotary International, service above.
Self.
And motto of Rotary Foundation?
To do good in the
All
world.
must know it.
To do good in the world.
Doing good in the world. Absolutely. So Rotary International's motto is service above self, and Rotary Foundation's motto is why we are all Rotarians, doing good in the world. That was done in part 1. Then the 7 areas of focus. Have you ever heard about this?
Yes.
What are they? अभी लोगों दिखाया था?
Community services, environment development, mother and child.
Mother and child. Okay.
Water
Environment.
Water sanitation.
Peace and
I
conflict.
will give you a formula. You will remember 7 areas of focus throughout your life after this. See, foundation takes care of you from your birth till your death. So first thing is, the first area of focus is maternal child.
Achha.
So when the mother conceives and the child is born. Second is disease prevention. When a child is born, you have to take care, remains disease free at least for 2-3 years, so that it catches its roots. Third is water,
Education.
water and sanitation, because 80% diseases come because of water. Now once that has been taken care of, basic literacy, basic education literacy, because now the child has to go to the school. After school, community and economic development. That is the next area of focus. Now he has to be engaged in some professional business. And the next is your peacekeeping. In Rotary, when we talk about peacekeeping, we don't take it as Ukraine war. So what do we mean by peace in Rotary? Roti, kapda aur makan. If a person is deprived of any of these things, he is not a person at peace. And if you want to make the world a better place to live in, For ourselves, we have to make sure our neighborhood is taken care of. And the last, which was added 2 years back, environment, COVID has taught us. So this way you will remember the 7 areas of focus. You will never forget. Why these 7 areas of focus? Any idea? क्यों इस पर हम काम करना चाहते हैं? रोटरी फाउंडेशन क्यों काम करना चाहती है on the 7 areas of focus only, basically? Any reason?
I mean, most of the things will come under these 7 areas. Most of the work that foundation like we can do.
Correct. Anybody wants to add something on to this?
Basic necessity.
Basic
Necessity.
necessities. See, these are the most pressing concerns of the world, of UN or WHO. The entire world is trying to fight these things. So when entire world is looking towards these things, if we work on it, what is the advantage? जो काम सारी दुनिया कर रही है, हम भी वो करेंगे, फायदा क्या होगा उससे?
कोलैबोरेशन हो जाएगा.
Synergy, collaboration, resources, ideas, funding. आपको किसी को समझाना नहीं पड़ेगा, उसके लिए फंडिंग सभी
गणित तैयार हो जाएगा.
So that is why those areas of focus. You have also learned about, I'm अभी third पर नहीं आया, I'm on foundation 1 अभी. You have also learned in foundation 1 the incentives. Foundation, have you heard about foundation incentives? What is it?
Small areas payroll, the various.
Major donors, small areas, sustaining members. All these are the incentives of the rewards and incentives. And last was Rotary Foundation is the best temple in the world. Established fact है, कोई challenge नहीं कर सकता. When I say temple, it means मंदिर, मस्जिद, गुरुद्वारा, गिरजा. So can anybody substantiate on this? When I make this statement, Rotary Foundation is the best temple in the world. ये मैं इतने जोर से कैसे बोल सकता हूँ?
It's on the 4 pillars.
It is
It's on the 4 pillars of the Rotary ethos.
4 pillars like.
It's through, it's for
Okay.
the.
4-way test you're talking about. See, हमारे दादा दादी, नाना नानी, पापा मम्मी सब ने सिखाया डोनेट. खाना खाने से पहले चिड़िया के लिए निकाल दो, गाय के लिए रोटी निकाल दो. We all been taught. And if I ask a question, इस हॉल में कोई भी ऐसा है who has gone to his temple और मंदिर मस्जिद कहीं भी जाके और आज तक डोनेशन बॉक्स में कुछ डाला नहीं, ऐसा कोई है? सबने डाला और ये बिलीव करके डाला है भगवान अच्छा करे, एंड करते हैं. आई हैव नो डाउट ऑन दैट. बट आई एम येट टू सी ए टेम्पल इन द वर्ल्ड जहाँ पर आपने डोनेशन बॉक्स में कुछ डाला हो और वो बिना मांगे आपको वापस मिल गया. ऐसा हुआ किसी को?
ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
Rotary Foundation does it every day, 24 hours. We'll come to that when we go in detail. ये our foundation है where we collect the funds and it comes back to you, to the clubs for doing projects without asking and multiply होके आता है and you spend that money. That is why it is the best temple. हम जो डालते हैं बॉक्स में अच्छा होता है, कितना होता नहीं होता we don't know. But this is the foundation which gives that money back to you multiplied many times. Roy Chaudhary knows it. He is the master of the global grants. We will come to that. So that is why this statement is the best temple. कि जो अच्छा करने के लिए आप देते हैं वो आप अपने हाथ से करते हैं एंड मल्टीफोल्ड होके करते हैं. Foundation 2, that was targeted services. उसमें we have the grant models. What are the different type of grants? We have covered 7 areas of focus more in detail in Foundation 2. Then we have also covered a subject called sustainability. We'll come to it in detail. And community needs, very, very important. And then something called vision statement. If I reflect on the word sustainability, क्या समझ में आता है? What do we understand? What does sustainability mean?
Something which is long term, continue for long. Something which is long term and will continue for long.
Something which is long term and will continue. Like through a global grant, we arranged for a blood donation van. Grant से fund आया, van purchase हो गई, but now it is stalled. It is not sustainable because we have not planned for ड्राइवर की सैलरी कौन देगा. ग्रांट का पैसा तो खत्म आ गया वैन पर. Who will fill in the diesel? उसकी रिसोर्स कहाँ से आएगी? Repair, maintenance, insurance. That is not a sustainable project. When we come to the grant models and go into details, this word sustainability becomes very important. Sometimes we buy equipment which does not work on our electricity supplies. हमारे यहाँ 220 है. हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट कर लिया, मशीन फ्रांस से इंपोर्ट हुई, इट वर्क्स ऑन 110. अब उसके लिए 3 लाख रुपए का एक लगाना पड़ेगा स्टेप डाउन स्टेप ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मर, जिसके लिए बजट ही नहीं था. That is sustainability. How we are going to sustain the project, whether it is environment friendly, whether it is usable in our area, whether technology works, do we have experts to run and maintain those machines. So all these come under sustainability. Then there is a word called community needs assessment. If we talk about community needs assessment, random क्या दिमाग में समझ में आता है? What could it be?
What is the requirement in that area?
What-
It is needed in that community.
Yes.
If we understand, this is the need which will help for
Community.
that people in that community.
Due diligence.
Due diligence. Due diligence. I remember we have done a project couple of years back. We wanted to install 100 chapakal. Grant आ भी गया. But when we actually went to install, whatever was in our plan, we saw वहाँ तो जरूरत ही नहीं. पानी already overflow हो रहा है. It was not required. It was what we planned sitting in our drawing rooms. It was not the requirement of that community. And now Rotary Foundation has stopped funding these kind of projects. We have done smart classes in 100 schools. आज Rotary Foundation allow नहीं करता. Because what happens, getting that community needs becomes very difficult from 100 schools. हम एक स्कूल में स्टडी करके उसका मॉडल बोलते हैं हम पूरे गांव में कर देंगे, पूरे शहर कलकत्ता को भर देंगे स्मार्ट क्लास. बट वेदर वहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है कि नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी है कि नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है वहाँ पर दीवार और अलमारी है कि नहीं है, कल चोरी हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट फाउंडेशन नाउ डज, दे से इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग सच प्रोजेक्ट्स यू फोकस ऑन वन स्कूल एंड उनकी सारी नीड्स को फुलफिल करें. Make it a model school. Instead of going to 100 schools, go to that school, talk to the students, talk to the teachers, talk to the parents, and take their priority. Maybe smart class will be their 5th priority. Maybe their
Needs
first
is-
priority will be toilets. Maybe their second priority will be benches, normal blackboards.
Then clean water.
Clean water. Toilet making is so easy, but maintaining the toilet, whether next day it is clean or not, whether water supply is there or not.
Yes.
So do those community needs. So when we fill up a global grant form these days, first thing to be done is to fill up a 3-page form, couple of questions, which is called community assessment form. and that makes our own understanding so much better. हम घर से सोच के निकले थे हम ये करेंगे, but while filling that form we also realized we were making some grave errors. ये तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं. So all that is covered under community needs assessment. Now coming to the topic, अभी तक हम लोग ड्रिबलिंग कर रहे थे, वार्म अप कर रहे थे. So foundation 3, international service. Do you remember something called the 5 avenues of service? ये वर्ड सुना? Somewhere? सुना है, Rotary, RLI. See, our core values don't change. जिसमें लीडरशिप है, फेलोशिप है, but one thing in the core values of Rotary which is never changing is the service element of it. In fact, when everybody was being introduced, 90% said joined for service, strengthening of service, opportunity knowledge. Frankly, I joined for fun and fellowship. एक Rotarian friend एक पिकनिक में ले गया था as a guest. Had a lot of fun. रात को cook, party, bonfire. I said, this is the organization where community leaders get good people, nice people, good couples, smart ladies. ये तो fun मस्ती वाला है. और मेरे 3-4 साल उसी में बीते. I'm सभी Rotarian. So after 3-4 years, when started going to one project, धीरे ये कीड़ा काटना शुरू हुआ. तो but यहाँ पर सर्विस, ठीक है, depending on the age, I joined very young. But service, everybody talked about. So when Rotary talks about service, they have also given you a guideline. Given you means given all of us a guideline how to achieve these services. राश बिहारी एवेन्यू सुना है आपको कलकत्ता का?
हाँ तो है ना.
So एवेन्यू का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by avenue? रोड, एक रास्ता. तो 5 avenues of service कुछ और नहीं है,
रास्ता है.
वो एक रास्ता है. उसमें एक है क्लब सर्विस. Must have heard this. Community service, which we all are doing. Youth service. So ये 5 रास्ते बताए गए हैं जिस पर चल के हमें डिफरेंट टाइप की सर्विसेज करते हैं अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर Rotary. And one of them is international service. One of the rastas. Now, when this word has come up, international service, हम अपने अपने नज़रिए से देखें कि what do I understand? So, what do you understand with it? जब ये word आता है international service, what it could be? What is your imagination?
So anything to do, anything, any act or any service or in any projects which we do with people outside our international boundary.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Mm.
Any project with, and what else it could be?
Youth exchange services.
Youth exchange service. Add on to it. सिर्फ youth exchange, New York exchange,
International RILA,
international RILA,
Fellowship group.
fellowship groups,
Rotary action group.
Rotary action groups. Why only youth exchange? अभी वहाँ family exchange भी होता है, student exchange होता है,
VTT,
VTT. What is VTT?
Vocational Training Tour,
पहले क्या था ये?
GSC.
GSC. Fantastic. पहले होता था group study exchange, in which foundation used to sponsor internationally a team of 10, 15, 20 professionals led by a Rotary Club president. वो लीडर होता था ग्रुप स्टडी एक्सचेंज का, mandatory Rotary Club president, but all other members were non-Rotarians, but professional. Could be a doctor, could be a lawyer, could be a police officer, and they used to go, sponsored by Rotary Foundation, visit another country and stay there for 1 month. They stay, they travel, everything paid by Rotary. ₹1 उनका खर्च नहीं होता था. And lawyer will stay in a lawyer's house, police officer will stay in a police officer. They exchange their ideas about how policing is done in your country, how it is done in our country, and create more of cultural bonding. Now
You-
that program has been totally dropped, that has been replaced by what you just said, VTT, vocational training teams. Now such teams go, it will be all Rotarians, nothing to be non-Rotarians. And they also go through global grants, we'll come to that. And they go and do operations over there, they experience how they perform the surgeries, they take our technology, in exchange they bring back their technology, and that project is now carrying on.
Use the exchange actually.
It's kind of an exchange, but professional exchange.
Professional
Use the
exchange.
So it is vocation. Vocation word भी बहुत बार सुना होगा.
Yeah, focus.
It is basically our profession. So these are now vocational training teams. Vocational training, and it is a team, not an individual. It is meant for training purposes, and it is directly related to your vocations. So these are the things which are happening now. Coming so far, now I would throw open the next question. You go back to page number 27 in our books. What is international service? है? It is there?
Yes.
So you can refer to it in your own sweet time. I just wanted you to know it is there and you can go back and. But if we start talking basically, so actually why we are doing international service? Why? What is the purpose? क्यों करते हैं हम international? We are happy within our clubs. हम इतनी बड़ी boundaries की बात क्यों करते हैं? Why?
Improvement
Improvement in
Ideas.
ideas.
Networking.
networking,
Improvement of life.
Self-development.
Self-development, yes.
self-development.
Cross-cultural collaboration.
See, we all are members of Rotary. But
It's quite
know,
enough.
do we know what is the vision of Rotary?
So,
Heard about this
yes.
vision of Rotary? What is the vision? Togetherness. People come together
To do for service.
for service.
And also develop.
How many of you know national anthem? Vision statement of Rotary should be even a रट लेनी चाहिए by every Rotarian. It's easy. 1 to 2 days of practice, 3-4 sentences हो जाएगा. And that will help you convert yourself into a better Rotarian, understanding Rotary world much better. Vision statement says, together we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe in our communities and in others. यानी कि हम एक ऐसे विश्व की परिकल्पना करते हैं जहाँ हम सब मिलके एक्शन लेते हैं, काम करते हैं लास्टिंग चेंजेस क्रिएट करने के लिए, टू मेक द वर्ल्ड अ बेटर प्लेस. ये विजन है रोटरी की. इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड व्हेन वी एग्जीक्यूट ए ग्लोबल ग्रांट, दिस एंटायर विजन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ रोटरी जमीन पर उतरता है. Together means not we. We 1.4 million across the world. We see a world, we don't see a club. हम पूरे दुनिया को देखते हैं. Together we see a world where people unite. All of us unite. This is what we think. President
Exactly.
Together we see a world where we unite and take action. हम लोग action लेते हैं. What are actions? Service projects. क्यों? To create lasting change, sustainability. We say अब कॉपी पेंसिल मत बांटो स्कूल में, लिव इट फॉर इंटरैक्टर्स, बिल्ड स्कूल्स, दैट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ. Stop or minimize distributing medicines. Empower the hospitals. नए हॉस्पिटल बनाओ, जो existing structures हैं उनमें मशीनें लगाओ. Disease prevention पर काम करो. Create lasting change. Where across the globe. In our communities अपने घर के पास. And this will bring a change in the world. That's why you are joining. So this vision statement summarizes what global grants are all about, what international service is all about, and also gives you a vision to come out of the boundaries of your club and start feeling you are a part of this global organization. इसके लिए हम लोगों ने एक एक्शन प्लान भी दिया. आपके पार्ट 1, 2 में कहीं कवर हुआ एक्शन प्लान ऑफ. You see what happens? We turn pages and don't try to go deep into it. Have you heard the something called the object of Rotary? बहुत से क्लब में मीटिंग में स्टार्ट में पढ़ा जाता है. Have you heard about it? The object of Rotary
Yes.
is to foster the ideal of service
Foster
and
and encourage. Foster and encourage the
I think totally among worthy enterprises. And there are 4 points of that: service, service and acquaintance. Then there is service in your having being in your business. After that is application of the service, and last is world goodwill of the world. The 4th service.
I'm talking about the 4th one. I'm going to read it out.
Development of international understanding.
Yes, the 4th is the advanced. See, it is the object of Rotary. Object means ये जो 4 बताए. This is the very purpose. This is our goal. We have joined Rotary because of these 4 objects. But what we have done so far? किसी ने बोला कि आज कोई चीफ गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, मीटिंग है, somebody should read. वो खाली रीड कर लिया. उसने रीड किया, पढ़ाई नहीं की, था क्या? The 4th object of Rotary says the advancement of international understanding, goodwill and peace through a world fellowship of business and professionals united in the ideals of service. ये हमारी पर्पस है. International service is a purpose to build international peace and all these things. So that is why we go for international service. And जो action plan बताता है उसमें one is expand our reach. अपने पंखों को फैलाओ सर्विस. How will it happen? When we go international, start thinking large. And friends, let me share with you. आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, there are very experienced learners sitting here, more educated than what I am. We all know that there are so many countries, especially the Western countries, where these service projects are not required at all. They don't have a problem of water and sanitation. They don't have a problem of hospitals. It's all inbuilt in their structure, in their taxation. Accident होता है, हेलीकॉप्टर आके उठा के ले जाता है. They're very, very well structured. तो वहाँ के रोटेरियंस क्या करते हैं? They do one part of Rotary Foundation. They donate to Rotary Foundation. Because they believe in this vision statement, together we see a world. So their part of service is fundraising, which we utilize through our global grants, and we do that work on their behalf in our countries. So they have learned the meaning of expanding their reach. Somewhere we say we are humanitarian organization. तो मुझे भी थोड़ा वक्त लगा था समझने में humanitarian organization, what does it mean? Basically means wherever there is a human need, we are there. We were taught in one of the sessions कि कोई आपको पूछ लीजिए बैच देख के, what does this mean? This is Rotary. What is Rotary? I am a Rotary member. What does it do? I think explain करने में अच्छा वक्त लगेगा. What do you say? टाइम लगेगा किसी नए को सुनाने. But there are certain, somebody said कि 1 minute talk. Suppose आप एक लिफ्ट में गए, this experience happens over there. आपको 8th floor पर जाना है, somebody asks. So by 8th floor you have to explain to them what is Rotary, क्या करोगे? We are a human organization. जहाँ इंसानियत की ज़रूरत है, we are there for any cause, and we are now known as something called #People of Action. We are a group, we are a people of action. And आजकल आपको टी-शर्ट्स में दिख रहा होगा Rotary की, people of action. That is just to define Rotary in a nutshell quickly. So these people have understood, and because of this fourth object of Rotary, this international service becomes very, very important. Now we were talking about grants, which is a major part of international service. You must have heard about the words grants. So now, grant होता है. Basically, what does the word grant mean? Grant का मतलब क्या है? Fulfill a wish. ठीक है. थोड़ा है, थोड़ा. Grant का मतलब
with some financial support.
Financial help.
help, support. ये मुझे ये grant मिला, मुझे ये help मिली, मुझे ये support मिला. And generally when we talk about grants, it comes down, trickles down to financials. Most of it. इतने का grant मिला, इतने का grant मिला. Scholarship also is kind of a grant. So Rotary also works through grants. In fact, if we sum up, it's all a part of Foundation 1, but I'm going to repeat it. Rotary Foundation के दो ही काम हैं. Only two things it does. One is collect the funds, raising funds, and the second is
Distribute.
and just last month, you can pat our backs. For 17th year in a row, Rotary Foundation has been awarded the highest rating in the world for being the most transparent foundation in the world. सबसे बड़ी नहीं है, but सबसे best है. There are hundreds of parameters जिसमें नाम दिया. I will just give you an example of, you must have heard organization called CRY, Child Relief. Yeah, they do work towards focus on child welfare. वो अगर $100 इकट्ठा करते हैं, तो actually funds जो distribute होते हैं about 50%. Balance 50% goes into their staff salaries and administrative costs, which covers all. You know, the Rotary Foundation का administrative cost क्या है? Around 8%. So 92% goes actually into service through the clubs, through you. Coming back to grants, कितने type के होते हैं? If you come to the Rotary Foundation, how many types of grants are there? Global grant is one type of grant. अब कुछ sound कर. CSR. In fact, I'm also chair for Zone 6 for CSR stewardship.
Scale grant.
I'm so happy to know so many people are involved directly or indirectly with CSR projects here. It's very, very good and healthy sign. But CSR is something which is exclusive in the world only to India. India से बाहर कहीं CSR होता नहीं. यही की गवर्नमेंट का इनकम टैक्स का स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. करेक्ट. मैंडेटरी. So in Rotary Foundation, CSR has nothing to do with it. It is global grant. Have you heard something called district grant?
District grant.
DDF. बड़ा मजा आया सुन के. What is DDF?
District designated fund.
हाँ, but what is it? होता क्या? हाँ,
That 47.5% that.
सर आप ये समझ लोगे ना, तो you all will become magician.
ये magic है.
Magic, and you will all start believing what I said earlier. It is the best temple in the world. चलिए अब 2 मिनट DDF को देते हैं. अपने टॉपिक से हट के वापस जाते हैं बिकॉज नोइंग इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी यू आर करेक्ट रिंगम. DDF इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेजिग्नेटेड फंड. एक वर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट आ गया, डिस्ट्रिक्ट का फंड है, डेजिग्नेटेड है, एकदम कंफर्म्ड है इसी पर्पस के लिए, एंड एक फंड है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेजिग्नेटेड फंड. आप लोग क्लब ड्यूज तो देते हैं, when you become members of a club, annual dues तो आप देते हैं. All that money which you paid as club dues and goes into the administration of Rotary, your board of director. Again ये सब part 1 का part है, I am repeating. तो वो board meeting हर 2 महीने में एक बार भी अनिरुद्ध अभी हमारे just immediate past director India से. That entire thing managing this 36,000 odd clubs across 200 locations through 7 offices in the world. All this happens through that money which we get as membership dues. उसमें Rotary dues का भी जाता है, charity के लिए 1 रुपया भी नहीं जाता, nothing goes. Entire charity money goes, जो बात हुई थी, जब ये जो फाउंडेशन को देते हैं, TRF को देते हैं, एंड चेक बनाते हैं या ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करते हैं टू दी Rotary फाउंडेशन. It could be $5, $10, $100, $500, PHF, major donors. That entire money goes to Rotary Foundation, which is not managed by directors, but it is managed by the trustees. Director 17 है, ये 15 है. Director की पोस्ट 2 साल की होगी, trustee की 4 साल. So that because they are working on global issues, so they are to be in office for a longer time, ताकि जो projects उन्होंने start किए हैं, उसको end तक वो देख पाएं. इसलिए it's a 4-year term. Now, whatever is the sum total of a district's collection in one Rotary, आपने 100 दिए, आपने 5 दिए, मैंने 20 दिए, किसी ने 10,000 दिए, जो पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट का फंड इकट्ठा होता है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ एक बैंक अकाउंट है डिस्ट्रिक्ट के नाम से, उसमें चला जाता है. Now, this also when you donate this money, you can designate it for different purposes. So one is called polio fund. So when you are making a donation to foundation, if you mark it to polio fund, it is used only for polio eradication. उस पैसे का और कुछ नहीं होता. But मजे की बात है, world one of the largest organizations, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, उन्होंने भी अपने से better Rotary Foundation को समझा. And whatever you give to polio fund, Bill Gates उसमें 2 times और ऐड करता है. So $1,000 if Rotarians collect for polio, Bill Gates adds $2,000 more into that account for polio eradication. So this is the kind of good management your foundation is doing. Second is if you give it to annual or if you give it to polio, so there is something called endowment funds, and one is for your scholarship funds. We'll come to endowment also, it's interesting. But whatever goes to annual fund, we will quote an example of, let's say, $1 lakh to make calculation easy. अगर किसी एक साल में $1 lakh was raised by 3291 for annual fund, तो without asking 2 साल के बाद 1st July of the 3rd year, उसका 50% comes back to district without asking. इसीलिए मैंने कहा कि आपने डाला और वापस आ गया, ऐसा बॉक्स वर्ल्ड में और कोई नहीं. Without asking, the district gets that money, and that is called district designated fund. Suppose
50%, what is 50%?
I want to ask you a question.
I'll come.
Very frankly. Suppose when I give to an annual fund, suppose if I give $7,000 annual, suppose if I give $7,000 or $10,000 annual fund, when I ask the district, how much DDF you give? It is varying 1.35%, 1.25%. Is this legal?
it is legal, but is it legal? It is legal, but is it ethical?
Ethical, yes.
Government is, there is a question. Welcome. It's a good question. आपने कुछ पूछा?
47.5 or 50%?
I'll come to that. It is actually 47.5, but it is easier to calculate in round numbers. So I'll come to that. So without asking, और वो किस बैंक अकाउंट में आता है और उसको कौन निकाल लेता है? It comes into a virtual account which is managed by South Asia office in Delhi. Two people have signing authority jointly to withdraw that money. This is the governor and DRFC. But they cannot draw it like a self check. या एक चेक काट दो मेरे खाते में डालो. You have to apply for a grant. There is a process for it. And once you apply for that grant and that grant is approved and a separate bank account is opened with fresh signatories in your district or in your clubs, then that money is transferred into that account. So suppose 1 lakh DDF का 50,000 आ गया. It was collected through thousands of donors. Now your district has 146 clubs. So 146 clubs have the right to that DDF. District के लिए पैसा, इस individual के लिए नहीं. Now here comes your question. Answer to your question. There are certain defunct clubs, not even a single dollar contribution. Or maybe $25, $50, $100. There is a club which has raised $10,000. That is his question. कि हमने $10,000 दिए. तो पहला हक तो हमारा बनता है ना विड्रॉ करने का. विड्रॉ करने का means to use it for grants.
Use.
So I think there is something called district foundation committee. Her district होती है. Somewhere it is active, somewhere it is not so active. Basically the governor and DRFC keep taking most of the decisions along with the DGSC, district grant subcommittee chair. Involved होते हैं. Now, interestingly, that $50,000 which has come as DDF, that also is split into two parts.
अच्छा.
One is called district grants, and one is called local grants. Now, district grants are very small in size. It could be 50,000 रुपया का. I'm not talking dollars now. I'm coming down to rupee terms. 50,000 रुपया का, 1 लाख रुपये का एक चापाकल लगाना है, एक स्कूल में एक बोर्ड चेंज करना है, इसका टॉयलेट को रिपेयर करवाना है, और उसमें कोई एरिया ऑफ फोकस की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. एनी क्लब कैन अप्लाई टू द गवर्नर एंड DRFC. If you want to do a small project, please help us from the PDS. But district grant के साथ foundation has a very strong limitations. Limitation number 1. There can only be one district grant from one district. So what do we do? From one district. अब 50 क्लब मांग रहे हैं तो what to do? Any solution? कोई टॉयलेट के लिए मांग रहा है, कोई चापाकल के लिए मांग रहा है, कोई एक टेबल बेंच स्कूल का रिपेयर करने के लिए. What to do? Very simple solution. सबको क्लब करके एक एक्सेल शीट बनती है. Rotary Club of this, Rotary Club of this, Rotary Club of this. That is the first column. Name of the clubs, name of the project, what they want to do, and amount. उसका sum total करें. And then your DGSA, District Grant Subcommittee Chair, he only is authorized to fill up that application online. So he fills up the application on behalf of those 50, 50, 40, 20 clubs. And when it is approved, everything is found okay, all quotations, all paperwork is okay, then that money is sanctioned from the DDF, तो $50,000. Second limitation, एक तो एक ही grant हो सकता है district में. Second limitation is whatever DDF you had, let's presume again that example of $50,000, उसका 50% ही यूज हो सकता है for district grants, not the entire amount. So that means you are limited to $25,000. In this case, in this example. Now once the funds come, clubs are supposed to be given that amount distributed. Then the clubs have to report. We faced disasters in that. Our district was banned for 4 years from doing any district grant. क्लब ने पैसा ले लिया, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ने पैसा क्लब के अकाउंट में डाल दिया, क्लब के बैंक अकाउंट में। अब क्लब वो प्रोजेक्ट कर ही नहीं रहा। जब मांगा था टॉयलेट बनाने के लिए, उन्होंने अपने मीटिंग हॉल को रेनोवेशन करवाया, पैसा तो आ गया हमारे पास। होल पर्पज ऑफ कॉस्ट। इट टुक अस 4 years to make all those amendments, and जितनी wrong doings थी उसको सबको ठीक कर लिया। जैसे
just to hit the nail on the head, just to avoid this.
we are doing something.
Yeah, by the way, he has been the DRSC for last 3 years like me.
Just after governor, we both were immediately DRFCs, both of us.
This fellow knows the best, very well. I have authorized 4-5 global grants for Lorimo Capital. So to avoid this, now what we do, Rajan, is to have 2 broad heads of district grants: sewing machines, cycle rickshaw vans, something, so that it is clubbed together. Because this problem we had in a 21-20 district grants. I think that is why we have decided, I mean at least last year, that we will have another broad heads so that the reporting can be done and it cannot be on micro level. Thank you.
Fantastic. So it's a good solution. So what we have done now in our district, we sanction the clubs, we give a letter of sanction, then ask the club, अपनी pocket खाली करो, invest, do the project and reclaim. And there is a deadline. As I said, district grant is only allowed one from one district. सारा क्लब करके गया हुआ। Now for one club, 49 clubs are held up. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So you complete the project. Next day you issue the check. Or you give us the name of the vendors. We'll issue the checks to them, not to the club. वो invoice raise करेगा, invoice दे देगा, आप फोटो भेज देना. So that is one solution. Now what happens to the balance $25,000? DDF fund. Now DRFC and DG have the option to send it back to the foundation, which is called rollover. Next year में हमारे पास कोई project नहीं है, take it back, or relocate to polio fund. हम ये 25,000 भेज रहे हैं, बिल गेट्स उसमें 50 और डाल देंगे, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के नाम पे ताली बज जाएगी, गवर्नर और DRFC के नाम पे ताली बज जाएगी. बट दैट हार्ड अर्न मनी which was collected from the district, 2 आदमी की ताली में चला गया, डिस्ट्रिक्ट को कोई फायदा नहीं. Option 3, which is the best option, hit for global grants. Apply for global grants, your money is multiplied. ये बचा हुआ $25,000 $1 lakh बन जाएगा.
I'll just share with something. Nada is there. So in one meeting, our club was having 10 red marks in a sheet, and all was open. So he called me up and said, because he's senior from our school, so he said, "What is this happening? Your club is 10 red mark going on." Today morning, there is no red mark. Everything is finished. Even
They yanked for him. It was a tough job.
and it was
And the contact persons had to be changed.
contract process to be changed. So the thing is that getting a global grant is okay, but finishing the global grant is more challenging with all the papers, documentation.
And we keep doing everything.
Yes.
Last year we applied for 20 global grants, 20 of which we were international partners for 2. So it was somebody else's application which we supported, and 18 were for our own district. Average of our district is 4. But last year we did 20. Average collection for our district is $250,000. Last year it was raised to $763,000. Approximately out of 4,600 members, approximately 18% members of the district used to give. Last year 93% gave. It's a world record. I'll come to that. आपकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकती है एकदम इस साल स्टार्ट करेंगे, नेक्स्ट ईयर तक हो जाएगा। एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा, हर प्रेसिडेंट के लिए एक रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा। आप यू आर प्रेसिडेंट, आपके क्लब की हिस्ट्री में आज तक ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि हर मेंबर ने डोनेशन दिया?
Only 1.2 years now.
ऑल
History
मेंबर
नहीं है. History नहीं है. It's only 1 year 2 months club. New club.
क्यों क्लब? तो आपके लिए तो और इजी है।
Package
पैकेज
भी।
कोई लंच फ्री नहीं होता, मात्र 2000 रुपये लगेंगे एक मेंबर के। आपके क्लब का एक रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा, इट अप्लाइज टू ऑल द क्लब्स। छोटा सा मोटिवेशन है सर, क्या हम रोटेरी देखने सक्षम नहीं है कि 2000 रुपये $25, that's what I found. Last year my district gave 93% members gave, और जो 7% छूट गए थे ना, वो कुछ आपस की दुश्मनियाँ थी कि मेरा इस गवर्नर के साथ पंगा हो रखा है, मेरा उसके साथ, मैं तो उसको नहीं दूंगा, मैं नहीं दूंगा, उस जिदबाजी में नहीं। एंड वी डिड इट इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द ईयर। जब करना ही है पहले ही क्यों नहीं, दूसरे को चांस नहीं। And ARFC, not for nothing. Because of these things which were done, transformed, position came out. I have not asked anybody for any position. But when you start working as a volunteer, रास्ते अपने आप खुल जाते। Anyway, see what happens. I have to sum up because time comes. 5-7 मिनट शायद एक्स्ट्रा ले लूँगा, लेट भी स्टार्ट होता है क्योंकि दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। Now what happens जब district grant में when you use that fund, no extra support comes from anywhere. आपका जो DDF था 50,000, उसमें से 25,000 या whatever you have decided is gone. Project हुआ, but that was the limit, cap on that. But if you convert this money, the balance $25,000 into a global grant, sir, important for you. When you convert this DDF into a global grant, see DDF आपको जो ओरिजिनल गिविंग था $1 lakh, उसका आधा आया था। When you apply a global grant, जो आधा बचा हुआ उनके पास पड़ा हुआ था, उसमें से भी इस $25,000 का 80% वो और रिलीज कर देते हैं। So imagine your money growing up, and then for a global grant, you have to have an international partner. Same thing happening there. ये 25,000 का तो 40,000 हो ही गया वर्ल्ड सपोर्ट से, 40 और आगे 40 और आगे इंटरनेशनल पार्टनर, फिर $5,000 आपके क्लब ने भी उसमें ऐड किया, 5,000 इंटरनेशनल क्लब ने भी ऐड किया, एंड यू कैन हैव मोर देन वन इंटरनेशनल पार्टनर फॉर वन प्रोजेक्ट। मनी मल्टीप्लाइज व्हेन यू डू ग्लोबल। यस प्लीज।
Our club did not invite anybody to do global grant in anyone last 100 years. So there are a lot of people, clubs here. What I've done is that these smaller members clubs, they did not encourage to give to the foundation. So I made a club of 70 people, group clubs. There is their club. They did not have the essence of doing global grant. So our club has got, my club has got about 16 national partners. Because we could, so I told them, give $550 for a project. Right? I will find a goal. I will do the papers. I will do the, I am giving to the foundation. I am asking for the DDF. They are there, the Blue Gardens is there, he is there, they are there. So all the clubs, 70 clubs are now contributing to the whatever global grant I am giving. $550, they are not paying me, they are paying to the foundation. Making a list, going to the foreign clubs, taking the money, multiplying them, and making them the essence of, that club. I know some clubs who did not, when have you done a global grant? They said no. Now they can proudly say yes. That is the unite.
That is the essence. That is the essence. See, about the $25, not only your club will make a history, it will give an opportunity to go to your friends who are not voting against, go to other donors in the society and ask. बेस्ट टेम्पल है, प्रोजेक्ट हम करेंगे, यहाँ पर करेंगे, पैसा दो। नहीं, उसने उलट के पूछ लिया, तुमने दिया? मैंने तो नहीं दिया। I have not contributed, but I am asking you to contribute. Is it ethical? सिर्फ $25 दो ना। It empowers you to put your hand in other pockets. इस यज्ञ में छोटी छोटी सी आहुति सबको डालो, महायज्ञ बन जाएगा। From a habit, do it year after year. And then coming to another. See what has happened in my district. After 93% people have paid, people have started talking about foundation. पहले foundation की कोई बात ही नहीं करते। People have started talking about grants. We also want to do it. So the end goal should be scrap those district grants. मत करो. Not required. Convert that entire DDF into global grants. And one club is allowed to do 10 global grants at a time. मैं एक पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 10 नहीं। Change your mindset. Things will happen. Another thing, global grant is not an overnight process. आज आम खाना है तो गड्ढा खोद के पौधा लगा दिया, कल सुबह आम नहीं मिलेगा। ज़्यादा फर्टाइल डाल दिया, ज़्यादा पानी, सड़ गया। Give it time. Come out of this mindset of my. I am a Rotary volunteer. I will initiate the process and I will make sure one day it gets through. And it will get through. आपके भी डीजी कौन है? आए थे सुबह, मैं नाम बोल रहा हूँ।
रविंद्र ओम चौधरी।
नेक्स्ट ईयर कौन है?
तापस भट्टाचार्य।
And उसके नेक्स्ट आपके क्लब का आप प्रेसिडेंट है। नेक्स्ट ईयर कौन है? उसके नेक्स्ट Same thing applies to your clubs.
4 years we have set.
4 years you are set. In my district, about 40% clubs are set, 60% clubs are not set. We are struggling.
Same in our district.
इसलिए क्वेश्चन मैंने कुमार को पूछा कि there is something called district leadership plan which is in place. 3 साल के गवर्नर इलेक्ट हो गए हैं और हमारे क्लब में 3 साल के प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट नहीं होते। And that is where we fail to do global grants. Continuity नहीं है। आपस में लीडरशिप के ट्रांसफर का थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर नहीं। We are one team, ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं। अरे ये तो उसका प्रोजेक्ट है, तो उसका प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, क्लब का है। It is a club's project. So friends, we can come with anybody who is interested on a Zoom call. There are 12 steps of filling a global grant application. We will work on detail on that. And if you visit myrotary.org, वहाँ पे there is click a button. वो 12 steps का एक 16 पेज का वर्ड फाइल टेम्पलेट प्रिंट होके आ जाता है। इफ यू वांट ए प्रिंट कॉपी, नहीं तो ऑनलाइन उसको डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। जस्ट इन योर फ्री टाइम कीप फिलिंग, क्रिएट ए प्रोजेक्ट। वंस यू आर थ्रू विद एवरीथिंग, देन यू कैन गो एक्चुअली ऑन ऑनलाइन फिलिंग एंड वहाँ से सिर्फ कॉपी पेस्ट करना है। एंड अदरवाइज ऑल्सो if you really want to start a global grant project and start filling it online, it is time taking, but it is not mandatory you have started the form और अभी complete करना है। You can initiate step 1, feeling tired, आधा घंटा हो गया छोड़ दो, switch off and come out, next day or after 1 week or 15 days or 1 month you come back, वो filled up रहेगा उतना। You have to continue from there. So we will go through these exercises because time is very, very short. We can't go into all those details right now. But I urge you to start looking into global grants and you will feel very, very satisfied Rotarian. Here you will see that the object of Rotary, the fourth object is being fulfilled. Your purpose of joining Rotary is being fulfilled. and your commitment to make this world a happier place is being driven. And in one global grant, when we talk about more than one international partner, you can have more than one club as a partner. A cluster of clubs can come together to do the project. आपको इस हॉस्पिटल में डायलिसिस 10 मशीनें लगानी है, ठीक है, मैं अकेला क्लब नहीं कर सकता, 4 क्लब नहीं कर सकता, मिलकर जॉइंट. It can be multiple districts from the same country, same zone, other zone. So the sky is open to scale it up depending on the actual community needs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajat ji, to taking these sessions so eloquently and so beautifully. I think you all enjoyed that particular sessions and learned a lot about Rotary Foundation. So the next sessions